If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in intermediate level where we will be building concepts on function for JEE Main and Advanced. So today we will see the classifications of function, one-one function, many-one function and onto mapping. Okay, then let's see this. Okay, so the topic is classification of functions. So as real life, some relations has different name. So in relation also there are different names of there, but relations we are not going through, we will go it separately. But in functions also we have different names depending on how it is connected, how these x and y's are connected, dependent and independent variables they are connected, or how the mapping is done. So first these two are based on how these connections are made, one, many one, and second one, that is onto and into, these are based on how many y's are connected. So these are different types of classification. Don't think that 1, 2, 3, 4 these are all same way of classification. So how you classify that matters, because you can classify on the basis of weight, you can classify some persons on the basis of height, you can classify some on the basis of marks. So classification on the basis of what? So first two is classification on the basis of a one respect, second two is classification of another aspect. So first two, if I say one and many one, these are how this is connected. So one you can feel it, one should be connected. So this should be connection should be one. That means each x, 1x 1y, that's the idea. Fa to b is said to be one function or injective mapping, that is also known as injection or injective. You remember it, why it is known as injection. You know injection, nowadays injection one series for one person because of their transmitted diseases. So you have transposable syringe, disposable series. So you take one series, you put one injection on one guy, then you remove that syringe, you buy another one, you put. So one guy, one injection on one series. That's why you can remember it's like that also, injection mapping. So Fa to b is said to be one function or injective mapping if distinct element in A have distinct images in B. So if a different element you choose from A, it should give different image, not same image. In other words, if x1, x2 are the elements of A such that x1 is not equal to x2, then fx1 is not equal to x2. If these two are not same, then the output should not also be same. If these two are same, outputs are same, that means input should also be same. You have already seen this type of is also known as function. This and this. This is also a function, but this is not one because two are going to meet this God. So that is not one. Each religion separate God. Hinduism will go to Hindu God, Buddhism will go to Buddhist, Gautam Buddha, Christianism will go to Christian. So each has different way. So they are not reaching at same God. So that is the idea. Any function which is entirely increasing or decreasing. Now this one you will know when you will know differentiation, what is increasing and decreasing, how we calculate whether a function is strictly increasing or not decreasing. That we will see later, but you see what do you mean by strictly increasing. This is a function which is known as strictly increasing. Why? Because if you increase x, your y is continuously increased. You can see you increase your x, your y is also increasing. So it is strictly increasing. This is strictly decreasing because it is reducing. If you are increasing x, then your y is reducing. So every time you move, that y is reduced. So this is strictly increasing, this is strictly decreasing. They are 1. Why they are 1? For each x you will have only one y. 1x, 1y. But if you have a function of this fashion, because here it is increasing, here it is decreasing, then for this x you are getting this height, same height you will get for different x also. So two different x, x1 and x2, they are linked with one output, that is y. Suppose this is length is y. So this is not 1. So that's what is telling here. Second line, if any line parallel to x-axis cut the graph of the function at most one point, then the function is 1. If it cuts it at only one point, if you draw a parallel line, it cuts at one point, that means it is 1, because for 1x it is only 1y you are getting. But if it cuts at 2 point, like here you can see, like or your sin x also, how many ways it is cutting? There are so many paths it is cutting. For so many angles you have same output. So that is not 1. So this is not also 1. So this is the idea. If any line parallel to x-axis cuts the graph at most 1, then the function is known as 1. Next you come to many one. Now the one that is not 1, that will be many one. The function a to b is said to how they can be connected. Either this or 2, 3 can reach to same God. That is the different way it can be connected. There may be y left alone. You can see two different, all are connected 1. Here no y was left alone, here was. So this it doesn't depend on whether all y's are connected or not. It just depends on how it is connected. The second is also, so you can see here a to b is said to be many one function if two or more element of a have the same image in, so two or more person going to, or two or more religion going to same god, same f in b. Thus f a to b is many one if for x1 x2 belongs to a, two different values of a give rise to same output fx1, whatever fx1 is y1, same is fx2 is also y1, so they are same, but x1 is not x equal to, so different x1 x2 giving same output, so that is your many one. Any continuous function which has at least one local maxima or local minima, then fx is many one. Now what is known as local maxima? This is a local minima where the function attains its minima. This is local maxima. If it has, in sin x you have lots of local maxima, local minima. If it has at least one, if there is one also, then it will be many one, because if you plot this graph it will connect at 2 points. For two different x you will get same output. Here also you can see if there is at least one maxima or minima. If it is more than one, then obviously you will find lots of points. So you can see there are two maxima, two minima. So there are lots of points you will find if you draw a parallel line for same x, the output remains same. So that's why it is saying if there is at least one maxima or minima, then it will be obviously many one. A function is 1 1, then it cannot be many one, and vice versa. So these are complementary to each other. If it is 1 1, then it is not many one. If it is many one, then it is not 1 1. Now next two that I was talking about, onto and into, that depends on how many y's are connected. If all y's are connected, then it is onto. No y is left alone. You can see it doesn't depend how it is connected. It depends whether all y's are connected or not. So if function a to b is such that every element of b, that is codomain, is the image of at least one element, there should be image of someone. One or more, it doesn't matter. It can be image of two item also. Two person can come to same god, but all gods has to be connected. There should be no god should left alone. Then we say the function is onto mapping. Everything is going on top of that, that's why onto. All a's are going on top of b, that is onto. F a to b, this is also known as surjective. You can remember it, surjection, surjective mapping. If a to b is surjective, if and only if b belongs to b, for all b belongs to b, means for all gods, there is at least some man which is calling that god. That is the meaning of for all god in the heaven. All gods are supposed in heaven. So for all gods which belongs to heaven, there exist. This means there exist some people from earth. A is people and capital A is earth, such that it is connected. The man is calling the god. So man is calling the god. The function of that man is God. Buddhism of that man is the god. Hinduism of that man is the god. Now in case of surjective function, b is the range of the f. That b becomes the range of the f. So your codomain and range becomes same if it is surjective. If it is onto function, then whatever codomain, because all are connected, so all becomes your range. So these two are equal in case of a onto function. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.